Hello everyone, my name is Noel Oge of Let Us Farm. So today, what we're about to discuss now is what causes color parchment, color pigmentation, different color skin of fishes. So I want us to talk about it, to discuss about it. Let us know, is this even good? Is there any problem? Are the fishes sick since they have different colors? Is there any color that is better than the other? Before we go further, this is Let Us Farm. And here at Let Us Farm page, all we do is we learn practical knowledge of different farming practices, fishery, poultry, and crop farming. So we try to use what we do in the farm to improve on what others may not know. Now, if you are having any problem in the farm, you can actually comment on the comment section or do a 2 to 3 minutes video of this thing that is giving you problem and send it to 081-353-48909. If it's from outside the country, just do +234-81-353-48909 and I will pick it up from there. Whatever I do here, it's free. This service is just absolutely free. So when I look at what is your problem, I would advise you on how to improve. And let me not deceive you, I have a very good number of people who have testimonies of turnaround from this free service that we do. So don't be left out. Just do the video and send it to me and I'll take it up from there. So the topic of discourse today, before we go on, before I forget, please don't ever send anybody your number that I'm forming any WhatsApp group. I'm not forming any WhatsApp group. All my WhatsApp group is here. So we discuss everything here. I don't have any special WhatsApp group. Don't answer anybody on that. I don't know about those things. So you watch some clips I'm going to upload now. Look at these clips. They are different color of fish patches. These fishes you are seeing now, it doesn't mean that this is the only fish color. We have others, other different colors of catfish. So just watch it now. Yeah, so you may have seen these colors. You may have noticed these colors. Now, some people are always worried that why is their fishes having different colors? Yeah, there could be many reasons for that. And sometimes when you stock, the color you are seeing when you stock may be different, especially when the fishes get to 2 months. You now see a different color. Yes, but don't worry about these color changes. That's why. I'm sorry, I'm going to use a human nature to explain this so that we can understand this very well. There are two types of colors. Two types of color changes. One, there is this color changes that may happen maybe after 2 months, maybe after 1 week of stocking. When these color changes happen, you notice that those fishes, they are still very active. They respond to feeding, they move around very well, exercise themselves very well in the pond. Don't be afraid. That is absolutely good. And I will explain why there is that color change. But then there is this second color change. This one happens that all of a sudden you notice that your fishes, they become dull, they don't respond to feed, they become sluggish. Sometimes they won't even come out of the pond. This one may be a little sign of something coming. Yes. But now, the immediate thing you are going to do to treat this problem is change the water. Immediately you spot this, change their water. So after changing their water and you did not notice any response, kindly reach out to me. I wouldn't want to start saying do this, do that. The reason is this. Fishes have a very good immune system. Not just fishes, animals. They have very good body immune system. But sometimes when we keep these things, because I've had these experiences where I was trying to teach people poultry. So I gave an example of coccidiosis about seeing blood and everything. And what now happened is that many people, once they just see any drop of color looking like blood, they will just start buying drugs and giving. What happens is that you indirectly kill the immune system of such animal. So also it is in fish. So now, once you've changed that water, and after a day or two it doesn't improve, reach out to me. Because most times, if I say go and do this now, discover people will just be buying and buying and buying. No, it's not good. It's not the best. Then, like I said, what may cause the other reason that when you stocked, you notice them. Some are very black, some have some parchments of color, and sometimes after a week, 2 weeks, after when it gets to 2 months, the manifestation is what you will now see. Sometimes all the colors change. Don't panic. Like I said, in human being, when a dark complexion man marries a fair complexion woman, naturally when a baby is born, the baby looks fair. Yes, not as in that, but it looks fair. Even when the man is very dark, even when the man and the woman are very dark, there's no way the child will come out and look very dark because it's coming out from the womb. So there is this element of fair. Okay. Then with time, you now notice that the baby starts taking the color is coming with. Either is dark or it looks like the fair mother, or it's not a combination. It is not in between. So also is in fish. Because the broodstock that was used to hatch the fish, the male may be the one that have just black color. The female may have spots on the body. Now, after the hatching, they gradually take this color that you now see. So that's the reason why you may now see that color pattern that you are looking at when they are small and it changes. You don't need to be afraid. It's only taking the initial parent color. Now, there is this one that has happened to me before. You may be surprised if you are having a pond in a shaded area. You will notice that most of the fishes there are dark. They are only taking the complexion of that area because light affects whatever it hits. Once light hits anything, it always affects it. So if the place is a dark place, tendency that most times all the fishes there will be dark compared to a pond that is in an open light area. So those ones in a very open area, you see that they always look lighter. I don't know whether we understand. But now, what we tell you if these fishes are very okay is this. If they are very active, they respond to your feeding. If you change water, if you come to the pond, they are always moving out. That means they are okay. So, but if they are now dull, that's when you will now start what's going on. And sometimes in a group, maybe you bought 100. All of a sudden, you see one just change color overnight. Yeah, just be watching it. If it's active, you don't have any problem. Except when it's dull, then you know that this one is not feeling fine. So, I don't know whether we understand what I have said, but in case you did not understand, kindly drop your questions in the comment section below. Then don't forget, if you are having issues in your farm, just do a 2 to 3 minutes video and send it to 081 353 48909. I use these videos. I will look at it and tell you what to do, and use it to also educate others so that they will understand what to do when they see themselves in such situation. This service, like I said, is free. So if you have any other questions or anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to discuss, drop it in the comment section and I will pick it up from there. So if you have not subscribed to this particular channel, if you have not followed us on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, I don't know what you're waiting for. Simply type Let Us Farm. LETUSFARM. Let Us Farm together. Hit the button and you are there with us, so that once we drop any video, you will see it. Until next time I come your way, I remain yours, Noel Oge Emelifon of Let Us Farm. Keep farming. Farming is a way of life. Watch the video as we close.